So we did 135,000. Wow. How do you feel knowing that you make six figure in revenue right from your home?
I don't know. I want to make more. I know it's possible. It's just like how lucky you are. I mean, the whole time I think I'm lucky, you know.
It's not just lucky. It's because you prepare for the work and things happen. So you did 135,000 in revenue. Did you know your profit that you made?
The second batch, just that month alone, it's just like about 15K. I wish it was 0, but
So you make $15,000 in net profit on the second batch of product.
no, just for that 2 days.
Oh, 2 days, Prime Day.
Yeah, 2 prime day. The rest, I would say like probably about 20 because I give a lot of discount for on the prime day. You know, just trying to get sales.
Mm-hmm. So you make $20,000 in profit. There you go. You already make back your initial investment into the program. So now you have the tool. You will be able to fish for life. But hey, good job. It's about investing into yourself. Now you have the knowledge. The next 5 to 10 years,
Yes.
you can always make more money and so on.